Hello everyone, welcome to Definite Solution. Does your keyboard keys not working? Now, you don't need to worry about that. So, in this video, I am going to show you how to turn on the on-screen keyboard using only your mouse. So, let's get started. First, if you are stuck at the login screen and your keyboard is not working, then you just need to click on the ease of access icon, then click on screen keyboard. This will open your on screen keyboard and you can enter the password for Windows. Secondly, if you don't have password set for your Windows and you are already at the desktop, then you need to head to the settings by going to start menu and click on settings. Now you need to click on ease of access. Now at the left panel you need to click on keyboard, then go to the right side, find the option use the on-screen keyboard and the toggle button to on. This will turn on your on-screen keyboard. If you find this video helpful, then give this a thumbs up and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.